Hi, I'm AirBoss Dan. I'm here with Pricewise Insulation, and these are my 5 tips for a perfect Pro Clima system installed. Tip number 1, keep your site clean. You don't want dust sticking to your tape. Tip number 2, get a hammer, get rid of protrusions and sharp corners because they might damage your membrane. Tip number 3, always staple on an angle because you want to distribute the stress over the whole width of the staple. Here the stress is just sitting here on the corner, and on the lifetime this will be difficult. Tip number 4, always using the press fix when applying the tape to activate the adhesive. Tip number 5, use the triangle method to install the membrane nice and taut. And these are the top 5 tips. I hope I'll see you soon.